Hello friends, this is the spelling test for Unit 17. Make sure your name is on your paper. Let's get started. Word number 1, tube. We bought a tube of toothpaste. Tube. Number 2, huge. We got a huge amount of snow last night. Huge. Number 3, cube. A dice is really shaped like a cube. Cube. Number 4, cute. The little mouse was so cute. Cute. Number 5, mule. The mule is the Missouri state animal. Mule. Number 6, use. Use your best handwriting when taking your spelling test. Use. Number 7, flute. My friend Valerie plays the flute. Flute. Number 8, rule. It is a rule at the school not to run in the hall. Rule. Number 9, rude. It is rude not to say good morning to someone who says good morning to you. Rude. Number 10, lube. The surfer put lube on his surfboard to make it go faster. Lube. Okay, now time for your 3 dictation sentences. Dictation sentence number 1. That mule is cute. Sentence number 2. Can we use the huge tube? Sentence number 3. I hope the suit will fit. That concludes your spelling test for Unit 17. Make sure your name is on your paper before you turn it in.